A U-joint is made up of the yokes, the center block, and the pins. Together, these components allow two or more different shafts to transmit rotation over both coaxial and non-coaxial alignments, and through a various range of angular and parallel misalignments as well. This animation illustrates the range of motion a single U-joint can operate in. Adjustments to the design can increase or decrease this range of motion. Although you can use a single U-joint at a time, they work even better when you combine them in pairs. Notice how during a wide range of motion, this pair of U-joints maintains parallel alignment of both the input and output shafts. Here are three slightly different designs. The orange one has a very limited range of motion, but it is probably the strongest of the three. This next U-joint has a very large and mostly unusable range of motion. I clipped off the edges and used it just as a template to make the third and final U-joint. This final design has lots of unusable range of motion, but it's smooth and durable enough to get the job done for what I need to use it for. The pins can be glued into place, but I used heat to melt the pin into the joint arm, which works just as well. Connecting a bunch of these U-joints together and rotating them is sort of fun to watch. When one of them bends too far and binds, it just flips over. The range of motion and curvature of the linkage is pretty flexible, but without support for the rods, it can be unpredictable. These U-joints work pretty well, and I use these or a similar design whenever I need to use one.